Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2009 Chevrolet Tahoe. This Tahoe is featured in the LS trim and is a silver paint finish. It includes features such as heated front leather bucket seats, heated second row bench seats, a third row bench seat for a total of 8 passenger parking seating. We have a powered sunroof, power tailgate, power folding outside mirrors, a roof rack with cross rails, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, heated seat as well as memory settings, power folding mirrors, power windows, and power locks, some storage as well as our speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls as well as our transfer case settings, powered settings down the side of our leather finished driver's seat. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, can see our display cluster. On the bottom left hand side we have an information system that is controlled to the right of the steering wheel. On the left hand side of the steering wheel we have all of our cruise settings. Right hand side has all of our hands free, including our volume controls. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as a CD input. Below it, we have tri-zone climate control. Can see that we have our front and back, as well as our controls to turn off the passenger settings and the rear settings. Below it, we have two 12-volt plugs, power adjustable pedals, our parking sensor, as well as traction control. Some storage, as well as 2 cup holders in the bottom. Center console, also a leather finished. Storage up top. Inside, we have some deep storage. Another 12-volt plug in the back. Passenger seat, also finished in our jet black leather and is powered. We also have our heated settings just next to our door handle. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have our universal garage door opener. Dome lightings with controls. Power tilt sliding sunroof, power tailgate, as well as power folding second row settings. Then lastly, our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, tri-zone climate control, as well as our heated outboard seats in the center between the seats. We also have a 12-volt plug, as well as audio controls on the bottom. We have 2 foldable cup holders in the bottom of our center console. Moving to the second row seats, we have a bench finish with a 60/40 folding power split. Center seat, we have 2 more cup holders. We have fold settings down the side of the seat. We can also do it through the front of the vehicle. In the back row, we have our 3 seats, also finished in our black leather, 60/40 or 50/50 split in the rear of the vehicle. Either side, we have cup holders and storage, as well as storage on the passenger side. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have an aluminum rim with our all-season tire. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, paint match door handles, as well as a black molded assist step. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our trailer tow package, Tahoe badging. Up top, we have our roof cross rails with our side rack. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have a power lift gate with a button in the bottom part of our handle. Back of the vehicle has 50/50 folding bench seating. We have a 12-volt plug. You can fold the seats on either end. And we have our clothes on the right-hand side. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2009 Chevrolet Tahoe. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.